The roar of the equipment in action. The sound of trees falling during the felling process. Be prepared to witness the meticulous and impressive logging process. It's time to get started.
Nom de Dieu.
When felling a large tree, it takes more than just technical skills. Meticulous calculation is also required. Every step, from climbing the tree, trimming, to cleanup, involves hidden dangers and must be carried out with precision. With the relentless effort of the workers, the massive trees seem to finally yield to their skill and craftsmanship. Whether professional or not, anyone cutting trees must always prioritize safety. In this case, he took a risky move by not setting up a lift platform underneath. Fortunately, nothing went wrong, but hopefully, he'll pay more attention to safety in the future. This is a perfect collaboration between man and machine. Each side brought out its full potential to take down the stubborn oak tree. Although there was a bit of risk involved, everything went according to plan.
It's time to
Hauling timber on slippery roads always carries risks, but with years of experience, this driver handles every situation with remarkable composure. Each maneuver showcases his impressive skill and finesse behind the wheel. The TST-800 Tower Yarder is more than just a timber transport system. It's an optimal solution for moving logs across rugged terrain. Even when facing steep slopes, it operates with power and reliability. Its system ensures each log is delivered intact and undamaged. Thanks to its stable performance and ability to preserve wood quality during transport, the TST-800 Tower Yarder has become a top choice among forestry professionals. The way these guys control the equipment over the slope is impressive. Even though the slope was slippery after heavy rain, they remained calm and skillful, and showed great skill to conquer every step. This is not only a technical test, but also a clear demonstration of the professionalism and extensive experience of the operators. This is a top-tier display of helicopter logging at its finest. Massive logs are lifted, flown over long distances, and set down onto logging trucks with pinpoint accuracy. The pilot's finesse, combined with expert control techniques, creates an absolutely impressive operation. No one could have seen this coming. The chain snapped in an instant. Luckily, the man managed to dodge it just in time. Transporting timber through sharp turns can always be dangerous. However, with years of experience under his belt, the driver skillfully guided the truck through the curve with ease. This is the true class of a professional truck driver. The M1070 is truly a beast in the world of heavy transport. With immense power, it can haul over 4 million pounds with ease. Its reinforced C-frame and advanced suspension system allow it to conquer even the roughest terrains. When it comes to strength and durability, it has no rival. The SGM1100 is a powerful wood processing machine. With a solid fixed frame design, the SGM1100 handles massive logs with ease while maintaining excellent stability. Its sharp, large diameter blade strips away rough bark in seconds. Thanks to its durability and strength, the SGM1100 is a top choice for large-scale wood processing projects. The CAT 259D with Fay 150 head is the ideal tool for clearing wooded areas. With the ability to efficiently handle dense bushes, the machine is suitable for a wide range of terrains. However, with superior power, it needs to be operated by an experienced person. If you need to tackle a pile of trees in your backyard or an area with a lot of bushes, the CAT 259D will be a worthwhile investment.
Get a good area set down, put your blade down, you're going to start making the ruts and stuff ripped out.
Observe this operator's ability to control the device. Every operation he performs with the 305E2 is accurate to every detail. Each activity he performs is not simply the control of machines, but a subtle combination of engineering and calculation. This is really the skill of a professional worker who has a deep understanding of the work he is doing.
Peel it off. The main thing on these trees that's holding it, like once you get around the tree,
the Rotten H21E is a machine capable of taking down and handling all large and small tree trunks with ease. With absolute precision, it cuts sturdy tree trunks into compact pieces like a skilled worker. The huge size of the Rotten H21E is fully worth the outstanding performance, making it an effective assistant in the logging industry. The Squip Split X is a powerful machine in the logging industry. With a splitting force of up to 30 tons, the Squip Split X can effortlessly split large logs in just seconds. Its flexible handling arm ensures precise movements and clean, accurate cuts every time. If you're looking for a machine with true power to handle wood quickly and efficiently, this is a choice you shouldn't pass up. The Dipper Fox SC600 stump cutter is one of the most powerful equipment in the logging industry. With incredible power, it can crush tree stumps into sawdust in the blink of an eye. You can imagine it as a super wood crusher, equipped with advanced technology to ensure maximum performance and superior cutting force. If you're looking for a powerful and efficient device, it's hard to find anything that can beat the Dipper Fox SC600. The Dipper Fox SC600 stump cutter is one of the most powerful pieces of equipment in the logging industry. With incredible power, it can crush tree stumps into sawdust in the blink of an eye. You can imagine it as a super wood crusher, equipped with state-of-the-art technology to ensure maximum performance and superior cutting force. If you're looking for a powerful and efficient device, it's hard to find anything that beats the Dipper Fox SC600. When it comes to dealing with stubborn perennial trees, using Ransom is always an effective solution. With its unique shark tooth design and superior destructive power, it can crush giant tree stumps in a matter of seconds. Thanks to this incredible power, it has set a new standard for high performance in the forestry industry. Transporting timber on bumpy roads is not an easy task. However, this driver still easily controlled the car to overcome obstacles. This is the driving skill of a professional driver. This is how the Japanese save time on wood removal. And do you find this method innovative? Maybe you don't know. The person behind the wheel of this giant Nissan is a small Japanese girl. She controlled this beast with confidence and professionalism. Do you find her strong? Leave us a comment. Pay attention to this ASVRT 120 in action. It was like a beast in the forest that was causing every branch, trunk, or even root to disappear quickly. Every movement of this machine is precise and powerful. It is truly an indispensable tool in logging work. If you are looking for a chainsaw for your saw shop, the LT70 is a great choice. Its thinning sawway technology maximizes productivity, helping you convert wood into profits quickly. Flexible control systems and a wide range of processing options make the LT70 easy to integrate into your production process. In addition, the Miser lubrication system of the machine helps the saw blade to always be sharp and work efficiently. If you want to improve your sawing skills, the LT70 will definitely be the perfect tool for you. This is a tree cutting technique that only professional craftsmen possess. This technique requires the worker to be able to calculate meticulously so that every detail must be accurate. This method saves time when removing large tree stumps, which is especially effective when combined with modern tree cutting equipment. This is proof that tree cutting techniques play an important role in improving the productivity of the logging industry. It's unbelievable that they work without any safety equipment. Perhaps they should cover the chain with a blanket to prevent it from flying out. Or they can use a hand winch and pulley to handle it for more safety. Going through this road is really dangerous. Just a little carelessness, and accidents will happen immediately. But with the driver's years of experience, he drove through here smoothly. Driving uphill while carrying heavy timber is not an easy task. However, with precise calculations in each movement and skillful driving skills, no challenge is difficult for this driver. It seems that they did not calculate the direction of falling trees. Brandit 21XP is considered the most modern wood crusher. With its advanced motor, it can process every part of the plant, turning them into small crumbs with ease. Thanks to its smooth and efficient operation, the Brandit 21XP has become an indispensable tool in the woodworking field. This video introduces the technique of controlled tree burning to remove the stump, through the creation of a combustion chamber inside the trunk. This method burns the stump from the inside to help remove the stump quickly. Using this method saves more time in stump removal than traditional stump removal, especially for large stumps or those with deep roots. However, to perform this technique safely, it is necessary to comply with local regulations.
Playing his prop camera down for the tip over the top. The top is still the wood. You can